What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering the SoFi stock. Volatility is starting to rise inside of the market, and people are so worried about the macro environment. Tell me this right now. Would you invest your entire life savings on whether or not the Fed is going to cut rates one time next year, or two times next year, or zero times next year? You probably wouldn't invest your life savings off of a small call like that. So stop trying to time the market and worry about what you cannot control. What you can control is looking for companies that are going to dominate 2025 in any macro environment. Well, good news for you guys, that company will be SoFi. If you listen to the CEO and you listen to the management, these guys said that they have wind at their back heading into 2025. We've already got a couple rate cuts in the back half of 2024. Those rate cuts are going to take a while to work its way, through the economy. And I'm telling you right now, guys, SoFi is going to be growing faster than 2024 last year inside of 2025, guys. I think we're going to see over 30% growth in 2025, guys. This is going to be an incredible year, and I'm telling you right now, a lot of people are just looking at charts and stuff like that, looking at volumes. You need to be looking at profitability. That is the key metric that is going to get this stock moving. Okay, we just hit 4 quarters in a row of profitability. That was an amazing milestone, but because of the timing that they had their first quarter of profitability, we have another milestone we are about to hit in the next 16 days, guys, and that is full year profitability. SoFi has never hit this metric inside of the company's existence. We are about to hit the first full year of profitability, guys. This is going to be an amazing metric. You're going to see institutional ownership continue to skyrocket. And if you just look at some of the greatest investors of all time, like Peter Lynch, these guys know how stocks go up, and stocks go up through EPS expansion and profitability. And that is what SoFi is now entering after gaining massive scale. Guys, there is a possibility that SoFi is going to take members from 1 million in 2019 to 14 million in 2025, growing members by 14x in as little as 6 years, guys. This is incredible how fast this company has gained scale, and now they are about to drop all of that to the bottom line. And if you follow the Peter Lynch metrics of just seeing EPS expansion, just like he saw in a company back in the day, Coca-Cola, guys, I'm telling you right now, wait until you see what type of levels that the SoFi stock could hit over the next couple of years. We're not talking 20 years out. We're not talking 10 years out. We're not talking 5 years out, guys. In as little as 3 years, you're going to see a rapid multiple expansion in the SoFi stock because analysts on Wall Street do not believe the EPS that SoFi has put out for their 2026 guidance, which I personally believe that they will also beat that number. So while analysts are behind, all you have to do is believe in the management, believe in the company, and you are going to see this stock have a rapid expansion extremely quickly. So a lot of you guys see me throwing out these price targets of $45, management's max bonus compensation. Anthony Noto will achieve $300 million, and also the $75 level, which you will see if Galileo Technisys, start to land top 10 legacy bank whales. Okay, you see me throwing out these price targets, but I want you guys to see that these price targets can actually happen if SoFi just fulfills what they said that they were going to fulfill, guys, which is that 80 cents EPS in 2026 and also becoming the AWS of fintech, following the exact Amazon blueprint of having a retail business and also a software business, guys. We are going after that banking as a service on top of being a fully chartered bank, guys. We are going to get that tech hybrid multiple, which is going to get the stock moving. So, guys, we are getting closer and closer to these earnings. You continue to see macro shaking up the markets, guys. I'm telling you right now, the smoke is going to clear. I hope you guys aren't timing the market to a T because you're going to miss it when the big institutional whales decide to start pumping the markets once again, guys. I'm telling you right now, we got a great video for you. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, since we are inside of 2025, I'm going to give you guys a 2025 metric that I'm watching. Take a look at this. I believe the market is still far behind on SoFi's true dominance. Look at this, guys. 2019 members, 1 million. I believe in 2025, we're going to hit 14 million members. Do you see what Anthony Noto is building behind the scenes? The market is not catching on because the market is only watching profitability right now. But with the scale that SoFi has, we are about to enter the profitability EPS expansion, which is going to cause the stock to explode beyond your imagination in 2025 and specifically 2026. These are the years that we were entering the EPS expansion stage. Now take a look at this, guys. We have heard Anthony Noto continue to say, hey, we want to be the AWS of fintech. We're copying the Amazon blueprint. That is awesome. And I believe they're going to achieve that when Galileo Technisys lands a top 10 banking institution, legacy banking institution. And look at this, guys. Look at this scale that SoFi was doing just like Amazon back in the day, okay? Buying SoFi today is like buying Amazon in 2003 before Amazon 200x. So if you do a 200x from where Amazon's trading at right now, Amazon right here was trading at about $10 billion in 2003, and SoFi right here in 2024 is trading at about 15 billion. So these companies are very, very close on top of the profitability that you're seeing right now. So 2020, we lost 200 million, we lost 500 million, 300 million, 300 million. Okay, that's what we went through for the past 4 years. We are about to flip to full year profitability, 190 million profit for 2024. Amazon went through the exact same phase. Look at this, guys. 700 million loss, 1.4, 500 million, 100 million loss, all the way from 1999 to 2002. And they flipped to profitability in 2003, plus 35 million profit, okay? And guess what happened? The company went from 10 billion, boom, to 2 trillion, okay? 200x right here. 200x from here, and you can see SoFi is following the exact same blueprint on gaining scale. You got to take those losses, and now you have 14 million members to continue to cross buy and show monetization. And you're also seeing that in Galileo Technisys, guys. They're doing RP stages for the past 2-3 years, and if you combine those two businesses, guys, you're going to get a tech hybrid multiple. And I believe SoFi is going to be printing billions and billions of dollars, 22 years out. Okay, so a 200x would take about 20 years. Okay, so don't think that I'm talking about a 200x coming, anytime in the short term. Okay, that's not going to happen. But the price targets that I am throwing out, I believe, are going to happen, guys. And specifically by the end of 2026, you're seeing those price targets I'm throwing around, 45, 75, guys. I believe we are going to hit those levels if we get those, top 10 legacy banking institutions signing to our platform. But we're also going to show you what, legacy investors such as a Peter Lynch has said on what it takes for stocks to have that multiple expansion. And listen quick, guys, because it is going to happen really fast. This is a very, very short clip. Listen to what Peter Lynch said. He's talking about a early investment he got in. That is Coca-Cola, and listen to what he says about EPS expansion correlated to the stock price.
I'm trying to convince people there is a method. There are reasons for stocks that go up. Coca-Cola, this is very magic. It's a very magic number. Easy to remember. Coca-Cola is earning 30 times per share what they did 32 years ago. The stock has gone up 30-fold.
You hear that right there? 30 times their EPS over the last 32 years. And on top of that, the stock 30-fold at the same time, okay? So EPS expansion 30x, stock 30x. You get what's happening, okay? That's why the SoFi stock hasn't had a big multiple expansion, because the profitability is what analysts keep saying to keep the stock down. We are about to hit that. Analysts right now are at 40, 50 cents, 2026. SoFi's at 80 cents. And this year we're putting up 13 cents. So what's the difference between 13 cents and 80 cents? That's what we need to figure out if SoFi actually hits those numbers. So likely in 2024, we're going to hit 13 cents. In 2026, we're going to hit 80 cents, guys. That is a 6x difference, okay? If we see a 6 times multiple expansion on the stock right now trading at $14, guys, we're going to be hitting $84. We're going to be getting that tech hybrid multiple. If we do around, $1 billion in profit, PE ratio about 84, okay? This is what we've been waiting for, guys, the EPS expansion stage. Even legacy investors know that this is what gets stocks going 10x, 20x, 30x, okay? Profitability is the key to SoFi right now, and you are literally at the beginning stage right now of what they're about to do in 2025, 2026, taking it from 13 cents to 80 cents. Listen to what legacy investors such as Peter Lynch said, guys. 30 times your EPS, you're going to 30 times your stock over the course of 30 years. We're not worried about that, guys. We're worried about a 6x in as little as 2 years, okay? So I'm telling you right now, SoFi is going to have an amazing 2025. People are worried about macro. This is a buying opportunity. When the smoke clears, a lot of people are going to be chasing. That's fine. So understand right now, a lot of people are shook up about the macro. Is it going to be 3 rate cuts? Is it going to be 2 rate cuts? Is it going to be 1 rate cut? Is it going to be no rate cuts? Okay. That is short-term volatility that will not matter once we get by, 2025. It doesn't matter how many rate cuts happen. Understand profitability, EPS expansion is what's going to happen in the long term. And you can see where SoFi's headed. They've already put this guidance out prior to, how many rate cuts are going to be happening this year. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing this video for you. Once again, we're going to be keeping you updated on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.